2026 BMW 7 Series does not ask for attention. It commands it. This is executive luxury taken seriously. A flagship sedan that represents power without shouting, wealth without excess, and authority without explanation. Standing in front of it, you immediately understand its position in the automotive hierarchy. Long, wide, immaculately proportioned. The presence is unmistakable. This is not a car you buy on impulse.
Ow.
This is a masterpiece, chosen with intent, an ultimate status symbol. For those who sit at the top and expect their vehicle to reflect it, the price places the 7th Series firmly in the world of boardrooms, private chauffeurs, and international airports. But numbers fade when you see it in person. The redesigned front end carries confidence. The signature BMW lighting gives it a futuristic edge. Clean surfaces and sharp lines create an aura of modern authority. This is an engineering marvel designed not to impress crowds, but to satisfy its owner. Step closer, and the details reveal themselves. Flush door handles, precision-cut bodywork, a sense of calm strength. The 2026 BMW 7 Series doesn't chase sportiness or aggression. It focuses on something far more difficult to achieve. Effortless dominance. Under the bonnet, BMW offers a range of powertrains tailored to different definitions of luxury. The turbocharged inline-6 provides smooth, refined performance with over 375 horsepower, delivering quiet confidence and effortless acceleration. For those who demand more authority, the V8 option steps in with over 520 horsepower, pushing the 7 Series from 0 to 60 miles per hour in the low 4-second range. This is performance wrapped in silk. There is also the all-electric i7 variant, representing BMW's vision of silent executive travel, instant torque, seamless acceleration, near total silence, 0 to 60 in roughly 4.5 seconds, delivered without drama or noise. This is power redefined for a new era. All versions are paired with BMW's advanced automatic transmission and intelligent xDrive, all-wheel drive, ensuring composure in all conditions. Power delivery is smooth, predictable, controlled. You never feel rushed, you never feel stressed. This car moves when you ask it to, and only as aggressively as you desire. Chassis technology plays a crucial role. Adaptive air suspension comes standard, scanning the road ahead and adjusting in real time. Rear-wheel steering reduces turning radius at low speeds and enhances stability at high speeds. Despite its size, the 7 Series feels surprisingly manageable in city environments and utterly stable on the motorway. This is technology working invisibly to elevate the experience. Inside, the transformation is immediate. Close the door and the outside world disappears. Sound insulation is exceptional. The scent of fine leather fills the cabin, soft, natural, luxurious. Every surface you touch feels intentional. Stitching is perfect. Materials are layered and rich. Wood trims feel authentic. Metal accents are cool and solid. This is where the 7 Series truly separates itself. The cabin is not designed around the driver alone. It is designed around everyone. Front seats offer heating, ventilation, massage, and nearless adjustment. Rear seats, especially in long wheelbase configurations, redefine comfort. Legroom is vast. Seating position is relaxed. This is first-class travel on 4 wheels. Technology takes center stage without feeling overwhelming. The curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, blending the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. Graphics are sharp, animations are smooth, everything responds instantly. Voice control works naturally. Gesture control adds theater without frustration. But the real showstopper is in the rear. The available BMW theater screen folds down too. Transform the back seat into a private cinema. A massive high-resolution display, integrated streaming, crystal clear visuals. Combined with the Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, the experience rivals premium home setups.
Ow.
This is luxury taken seriously. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, customizable to match mood or occasion. At night, the interior feels like a high-end lounge rather than a car. Even the smallest details, from seatbelt buckles to air vents, feel designed rather than assembled. On the move, the 7 Series glides. Imperfections in the road are absorbed effortlessly. The suspension isolates without disconnecting. Steering is light and precise, designed for calm confidence rather than aggression. This is not a sports sedan trying to prove a point. This is a luxury flagship that knows exactly what it is. Driver assistance systems operate quietly in the background. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, automated parking. Everything is there to reduce fatigue and increase safety. You arrive relaxed, focused, ready, now. If this kind of machine resonates with you, if you appreciate craftsmanship and engineering at the highest level, this is your moment. Join the Elite Club, subscribe to the channel, and become part of a community that understands why vehicles like the 7 Series exist. Practicality remains impressive. Boot space is generous, storage is well thought out. Daily usability is effortless. Despite its size and complexity, the 7 Series never feels intimidating. BMW has engineered it to be approachable, even for those stepping into this class for the first time. Compared to rivals like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class or Audi A8, the BMW 7 Series takes a distinctive approach. Where Mercedes leans into classic luxury and Audi focuses on minimalism, BMW blends technology with presence. The 7 Series feels more forward-looking, more digital, more commanding. It is a car for executives who want to lead, not follow. The 2026 BMW 7 Series represents a bold statement from BMW. Luxury without hesitation. Technology without clutter. Performance without aggression. It respects tradition while embracing the future. So the question remains, in the world of executive sedans, does the BMW 7 Series now set the benchmark for modern luxury? Or does the competition still hold the crown? If you live for the thrill of luxury, hit subscribe and join the journey.